Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego were three young men who loved God. The king built a giant golden statue and said everyone must bow down to it. But the three friends refused because they only worshipped God. The king became furious and threw them into a fiery furnace that was so hot the flames burned the guards. But when the king looked inside, he saw 4 people walking around unharmed. The 4th looked like an angel. God had protected them. The king shouted for them to come out, and not even a hair on their heads was burned. He praised their God for saving them. This story teaches kids that God is with us in the fire and protects those who stand for what is right.